Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake using bread. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on slightly stale bread, which absorbs liquids beautifully. You'll need a rich liquid base, like a custard or a sweet syrup, to infuse moisture and flavor. This process turns ordinary bread into a delightful, moist cake, perfect for a unique dessert. We'll cover the key steps to ensure a delicious outcome. Once you have your bread, cut it into small, uniform pieces, ideally 1-inch cubes, to ensure even soaking. Next, immerse these bread pieces completely in your prepared liquid, whether it's a sweet milk mixture or a fruit-infused syrup. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes or even longer until the bread is fully saturated and softened. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, cake-like consistency. After soaking, gently press the bread mixture into a greased baking dish, ensuring an even layer. Bake your creation at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until golden brown and set. For extra flavor, consider adding cinnamon, nutmeg, or even some dried fruits like raisins or cranberries before baking. A sprinkle of chopped nuts can also add a delightful crunch. Once baked, let your bread cake cool completely before slicing. This helps it set properly. Serve it warm or at room temperature, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or a fresh fruit compote. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of bread, like brioche or challah, and vary your soaking liquids with coffee or citrus juices for unique flavor profiles. Enjoy your delicious, resourceful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.